Here is our workshop. Come, let us go inside and take a look at the different areas of a workshop. This is the vehicle bay, where the vehicle is positioned for servicing and repair. And this is a two-post lift to hoist the vehicle to a comfortable height, so that you can work under the vehicle conveniently. This is the tool room. Can you see the tools and instruments arranged and organized for easy access? And this is the tool tray. There are so many shelves. You place all your tools in it while working and wheel it near the vehicle bay. This is the storage rack for all the spare parts. In a bigger workshop, there is a storeroom for all the spare parts and the instruments. Look, this is a tank where the oil is collected so that it does not drip over the place. Here is a workbench mounted with a bench vise. Very useful equipment to mount heavy vehicle part for repair and servicing. This is a grinder fixed to the workbench. And look at this bay, more equipment for servicing and an air compressor unit. Let us move into the small and neat room. Yes, it is an office room for all the administrative work. It also serves as a reception to receive customers. And this is a job card. The details of servicing and repair to be done on a vehicle is recorded in this card. It is like a report card of the vehicle. Friends, that was all about this workshop. Hope you enjoyed the virtual tour.